Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna see about some open source opportunity rather than some technical stuffs. Let's move into the video. In many of you have viewed in some LinkedIn posts like I have got selected for the Hacktoberfest. You may wonder what is Hacktoberfest, how to register in that and how to get started. Your all queries will be sorted on this one video. Hacktoberfest is nothing but some open source opportunity for a people, and you can also get some cool swags at the end of this at the end of the fest. Okay, if you haven't started any open source contribution, you can kickstart with this. It is an organization where it grabs the people to get into the open source opportunities. You can view and read this entire website. You can get some ideas like what is this, what and all, what to do, everything. They have some certain condition to meet this t-shirt or a tree. You have to create a 4 pull request. If you have 4 pull requests or merged, you can get a cool limited edition t-shirt or a tree. At the end of the program, you may ask some do you want a tree or a t-shirt. You can select whatever you need. If you select a tree, they will plant a tree because of your name. If you select t-shirt, they will ask some address of yours and some process will be going on the backside. Then I'll give this link in the description. Please make sure you view this website and clear your doubts. If you have any doubts, you can comment in that. I have told trees and all. And for registering, you have to sign in with GitHub or GitLab account. Both are similar kind of same some repositories creation and all. Don't worry what is Git and GitHub. You can Google it. Okay. If you don't know how to create a pull request, I'll give the link in the description of my blog. You can go through that. You can also ping me in the comment if you have some queries. I have already registered. Anyway, I show some glimpse of it. This Hacktoberfest have many partners like DigitalOcean, AppWrite, Intel, DeepSource, and also follow them in Facebook, LinkedIn. You can also join this Discord channel. Then only you can get some immediate updates from them. And let's get into registration. Yeah, since I've already registered, it shows my profile. But for you, it will ask about something like sign in with GitHub or GitLab. You can choose any of one if you have an account in any of these. After that, it will ask you about the mail. Make sure you give that active mail. Then only you can get some regular updates. Then it will ask about what kind are you going to participate in this event. You can choose participant, maintainer, event organizer. Participant is nothing but who contribute in every projects. Maintainer in the sense they will upload some projects. Okay, you have like who merge these pull requests, they are the maintainers. And event organizer nothing but you can organize some events regarding to Hacktoberfest, and you can also many of you can also participate in the events. You can see here in all events. Okay, you can see what are the upcoming events related to Hacktoberfest. You can also create some event. These are the things. If there is an event, you can see here. Yeah, see many events are there. Live stream from September. In October 1 also we have a live stream. You can participate in that and get more about what is Hacktoberfest and all everything. And they will ask some check mark like do you want to get mail from us, some from DigitalOcean or from DigitalOcean, AppWrite, Hacktoberfest, etc. This is an 8th consecutive year they are conducting this Hacktoberfest 2021. This program starts from October 1 and ends at October 31st. So make sure you create 4 pull requests and merge between these areas. Then only you can get a t-shirt or a tree. Yeah, that's it for today's video. You can comment below. You will get a t-shirt or a tree. I will get a t-shirt. For this my first contribution to the Hacktoberfest. I have never participated in before, so I will get a t-shirt. Then make sure you subscribe this channel and share to your friends and help them open source and October 1st and all. Make sure you all registered. If you haven't registered, please go and register soon. If you have already registered, comment below. Stay tuned for further these kind of opportunities videos and some technical stuffs. Bye bye.